So I'm going to make this pasta today. I'm using rigatoni. You can use any pasta you want. Very few ingredients, really fast and delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, this is really super easy. We've got 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of onion sliced, 2 cups of tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes. If you don't have them, just chop up some regular tomatoes. I'm using rigatoni today. Get your pasta cooked. You can use any pasta that you want. There's probably about 4 cups there, a tablespoon of garlic, and in here I've got some black olives. These are a calamata, taking the stone out, but you know, pretty whole. There's about 6 or 7 there. Let's get moving. So we've got a pan here. In there I've got 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil for this, because that's kind of going to be our sauce really. In goes that 1 cup of onion. In goes that tablespoon of garlic. I've just put the heat on. It's on an above medium heat. We're going to go just for 3 minutes. So that's just 3 minutes. So the garlic and onions are barely cooked, but that's just how I want them. Let's get those olives in. Like I said, I'm using these calamata. You could use something different if you want. We're going to add salt. We're going to add black pepper. If you want, get some dried oregano or basil in here if you want. I'm not doing it today. And then 2 cups of tomatoes. I'm going for those cherry tomatoes. And then we're going to go for another 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving now. Super easy. Okay, now let's grab our pasta. Let's drop that in. We're going to go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now, if you want, drop some anchovies in there. If you want something like that, you know, you can take it in any direction you want. Get a few other veggies in there, some chili flakes or some dried chili, you know, up to you. I'm keeping this really simple. See you in a couple of minutes. As we zoom in here, a great opportunity for me to ask you guys to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe. Off goes the heat. 1 cup of grated Parmesan. We're going to just throw that around. Job done. That is beautiful. Get that served immediately. And there you go. Absolutely wonderful. Little bit of parsley, flat leaf parsley over the top. Or if you want some fresh basil. That's all good. Easy peasy. Lovely. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. Keep well. See you soon.